Welcome back to Passive Wealth Formula, your ultimate guide to financial freedom and success. Today, we're embarking on an exciting adventure into the world of online income, where we'll reveal proven strategies to make a minimum of $428 daily. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the potential for quick cash as we take charge of our financial future together. Let's dive right in. 1. Freelancing and tapping into the gig economy. Imagine being a freelancer, a modern-day adventurer in the digital landscape. Freelancing opens up a world of endless opportunities to make money using your skills and talents. Whether you're a wordsmith, a creative designer, a tech genius, or an organizational wizard, there's a marketplace out there waiting for you. Step 1. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TaskRabbit to connect with clients who need your skills. Creating an account is as simple as creating your profile on social media. Just follow the prompts and showcase your expertise. Step 2. Browse through job listings to find gigs that match your talents and interests. You'll be amazed at the variety of tasks available, from writing blog posts and designing logos to offering virtual assisting services and even completing errands. Step 3. Impress your clients with exceptional work and dedication, and before you know it, those 5-star reviews will start rolling in. Remember, building a strong reputation is key to attracting more clients and earning repeat business. Step 4. Want to increase your chances of getting hired? Offer a range of services. For instance, if you're a graphic designer, you could offer logo design, social media graphics, and business card design. This way, you'll cast a wider net and catch more opportunities. 2. Selling digital products for passive income. Picture this: you create a masterpiece once, and it continues to earn you money over and over again. That's the magic of selling digital products. Whether you're an expert in a particular field or have a unique skill, you can turn your knowledge into a profitable venture. Step 1. Come up with a great product idea that resonates with your audience. Think eBooks, online courses, design assets, or even templates for business resources. Step 2. Take your time and create a high-quality product. If you're writing an ebook, make it informative and engaging. For online courses, break down complex concepts into bite-sized lessons and include practical exercises. Step 3. Use platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Udemy, or Creative Market to sell your products. These platforms have a massive audience, ready to discover and purchase what you have to offer. Step 4. Promotion, promotion, promotion. Treat your product launch like a grand event. Use social media, email marketing, and even collaborations with influencers to spread the word. The more eyes you get on your product, the higher the chances of making those sales. 3. The art of affiliate marketing. Let's talk about becoming a digital matchmaker. Affiliate marketing is like teaming up with cool companies to promote their stuff and earn money for every sale made through your unique affiliate links. Step 1. Choose reputable affiliate programs from companies that align with your niche or target audience. You want products that genuinely provide value and are worth promoting. Step 2. Building trust with your audience is crucial. Be honest and transparent when discussing the products you're promoting. Your audience's trust is your most valuable asset. Step 3. Create fun and engaging content, like blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts, to showcase the products you're promoting. Be creative and show how these products can make a difference in people's lives. Step 4. Keep an eye on your affiliate links' performance using tracking tools. This will help you understand what's working and what's not, allowing you to optimize your marketing efforts and maximize your earnings. 4. Monetizing your YouTube channel for profits. Calling all aspiring content creators, it's time to turn your passion into profit. If you have a YouTube channel, you can make money while doing what you love. Step 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program by meeting the requirements, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once approved, you can enable ads on your videos to start earning money. Step 2. Sponsorships are another fantastic way to monetize your channel. Companies will pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. Just make sure you align with brands that resonate with your audience. Step 3. Engage with your subscribers and create a sense of community on your channel. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to like and subscribe. Step 4. Consistency is key. Keep uploading high-quality content regularly to grow your subscriber base and increase your video views, ultimately boosting your ad revenue. 5. Online marketplaces and e-commerce success. Ready to open your virtual store and reach customers worldwide? Online marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon are your ticket to e-commerce success. Step 1. Choose the right marketplace that aligns with the products you want to sell. Etsy is perfect for unique handmade items, while eBay and Amazon cater to a broader range of products. Step 2. Your product listings are like the front display of a brick-and-mortar shop. Make them look amazing with high-quality images and detailed, yet concise, descriptions. Show potential customers why they need your product. Step 3. Excellent customer service will keep buyers coming back for more. Respond to inquiries promptly, ship orders on time, and go the extra mile to make your customers feel valued. Step 4. Utilize social media and targeted ads to drive traffic to your online store. Building an online presence beyond the marketplace itself will help you attract more customers and increase sales. 6. Niche website with affiliate marketing. Welcome to the world of niche websites. Digital destinations that cater to specific audiences and make money through affiliate marketing. Step 1. Choose a niche that's not too broad and not too narrow. It should be something you're passionate about and, most importantly, something people are searching for. Step 2. Building your website is easier than you might think. Platforms like WordPress offer user-friendly website builders and tons of customizable themes. Get your website up and running in no time. Step 3. Create valuable and helpful content that revolves around your niche. Your content should provide real value to your readers and establish you as an authority in your niche. Step 4. Incorporate affiliate links into your content strategically. Don't overdo it, though. Make sure your recommendations feel natural and genuinely helpful to your audience. 7. E-commerce store with dropshipping. Ever wanted to run your own store without worrying about managing inventory? Dropshipping might just be the perfect fit for you. Step 1. Choose an e-commerce platform like Shopify that simplifies the process of setting up an online store. Step 2. Research trending products or niche-specific items that you think your target audience will love. Check out online marketplaces or supplier directories to find reliable partners. Step 3. Craft compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of each item. A picture may be worth 1,000 words, but great copy can seal the deal. Step 4. Embrace the power of digital marketing to reach potential customers. Use social media, Google Ads, or influencer partnerships to generate traffic and drive sales. 8. Online tutoring and educational courses. If you're passionate about sharing knowledge, offering online tutoring or creating educational courses can be both fulfilling and financially rewarding. Step 1. Choose a platform like Udemy or Teachable to host your courses. These platforms provide a user-friendly interface for both course creators and learners. Step 2. Plan your course curriculum thoughtfully. Break down complex topics into easy-to-understand lessons and include practical examples or exercises. Step 3. Record high-quality video lessons that capture your enthusiasm and expertise. Engaging visuals and clear explanations will keep your students coming back for more. Step 4. Promotion is key to attracting students to your courses. Use social media, email marketing, and collaborations with influencers or bloggers in your field to spread the word. 9. Social media management services. Are you a social media whiz? Put your skills to work by offering social media management services to businesses. Step 1. Build your online portfolio to showcase your skills and experience. Demonstrate the results you've achieved for other clients to build trust. Step 2. Offer services like content creation, scheduling, and engagement. Many businesses are looking to outsource their social media tasks to experts like you. Step 3. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer can connect you with businesses seeking social media managers. Polish your profile and start bidding on relevant projects. Step 4. Streamline your work with social media management tools. These tools will help you schedule posts, analyze performance, and engage with followers more efficiently. 10. App development and reselling. Step into the world of app development and join the ranks of digital entrepreneurs. Step 1. Identify gaps in the market or problems that need solving. Develop apps that provide solutions and cater to specific audiences. Step 2. Platforms like Google Play and the App Store offer opportunities for selling your apps. Make sure your app's name, icon, and description stand out to attract users. Step 3. Promote your app through social media and app review websites to increase visibility and downloads. Positive reviews and ratings can boost your app's ranking. Step 4. Stay engaged with your users and actively seek feedback. Improving your app based on user suggestions will help you retain users and attract new ones. 11. Virtual assistant services. If you're an organizational guru, offering virtual assistant services can be a perfect fit. Step 1. Determine the services you want to offer. It could be anything from managing emails to scheduling appointments or handling customer support. Step 2. Create a professional website that showcases your skills, experience, and testimonials from satisfied clients. Step 3. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer can connect you with businesses or entrepreneurs in need of virtual assistants. Apply for relevant projects and put your best foot forward. Step 4. Deliver high-quality work and build strong relationships with your clients. Satisfied clients are more likely to recommend you to others and provide repeat business. 12. Print-on-demand products. Create and sell custom-designed products without worrying about inventory through the print-on-demand business model. Step 1. Partner with print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Teespring that handle production and shipping. Step 2. Design unique merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases that reflect your creativity and appeal to your target audience. Step 3. Leverage social media marketing and influencer collaborations to promote your products. Engaging visuals and creative content will catch the eyes of potential customers. Step 4. Monitor sales performance and gather feedback from customers. This data will help you refine your designs and offerings to meet your audience's preferences. Congratulations! You've just learned actionable ways to make $428 daily online easily. Now, it's time to take action and embark on your journey to financial abundance. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and success in the digital realm requires dedication, perseverance, and a sprinkle of creativity. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on making money online. Let us know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try. Remember, your dreams of financial freedom are within reach. All you need to do is take the first step.